from Future IT Vision. Today I will be teach you or show you how to do if else statement in Java. This is Java for Beginner Part 9. This is my subscription channel, Future IT Vision, YouTube subscription Future IT Vision, also GitHub where you can find out the code. Let's go guys, show you how to do if else statement in Java. So I already created one class which is the if else statement, and the class had the main method, but for saving time purpose I did that. You guys now know how to create a main method, so I don't have to show you again over and over. So now, if else statement, what is if else? I mean, you always try to find out and matching with the condition, or matching with the whatever you're talking, matching with your real life. Like example, you want to buy something, but example, you want to buy mango, or you want to buy salt, and you have a special brand for salt. So now you go to the market and you want to buy salt, and your first choice salt has to be like brand A. And now, but you need a salt, and you go to the supermarket and you try to look at the brand A salt, but you saw you don't have the salt, the brand A is available in the supermarket, but they have C, D, E, F, G, whatever other brands. So now we need a salt. The first option, it has to be brand A. If not, whatever else. So if else statement similar like that. Let's show you guys. So example, I create a variable int. Let's talk about salt. Int salt equal 20. Okay, and statement close. So now I'm gonna go another variable int I'm gonna give here salt A. Salt A, salt 1. Okay, or salt 1, and I'm gonna give here salt 2 equal 15. Okay, we have a two variable, one is the salt 1 and one salt 2. So now how if else statement work? So when you say if, it has to be condition, because when you say if, so my condition, whatever variable is here, so condition come between the two first bracket. Before write any condition, I mean finish the structure of the if else statement. That is the right way to do. So now I'm opening bracket, second bracket, and closing second bracket. Now I'm going to put the else, else. Now opening first bracket, second bracket, and closing the curly bracket. So now my if else statement structure is done. So now condition. So now if I said is salt 1 less than 30, system println space println salt 1. Okay, and else, so I'm going to copy this for saving time, salt 2. So before that, how you know that this, so guys over here, so you see that if I click that this salt 1, it will be selected. If I here this salt, it is this salt 1. Okay, and this salt 1 is this salt 1, and salt 2, this salt 2 is this salt 2. Now over here the condition, I told you this is the main themes of the if else statement, the condition. If the condition is a fail, the boolean condition is the fail, whatever we're asking for, this is a fail, it goes to the else, whatever else have. So example, I have a int salt 1 20. I said here salt 1 less than 30. If salt 1 less than 30, print out salt 1, which is this. Now salt 2 equal 15. So this is salt 2, there is no condition there. So now if I say it, if first condition match, which is the salt 1 less than 30, print out this. If is boolean false, is false, or is not matching, whatever else, print out. I say print out the salt 2. So now guys, try to understand over here the salt 1 less than 30. So which salt 1 is this talking about? Just think for a few seconds. I'm not going to give you answer. Just think. So this salt 1, am I right? Okay. So now the condition, the salt 1 less than 30, is that matching with our variable? I'm not going to ask, I'm not going to answer it. Think few seconds. I think you guys that got the answer is the yes, salt 1 less than 30. So because salt 1 is the 20, is less than 30. So if salt 1 less than 30, I said print out this option. So now in Java code, whatever we write here, DeepL, so what do you think? Which one will you print out? The salt 1 or salt 2? Let you guys think about few seconds. I think you get the answer. The salt 1 will be print out because the salt 1 is less than 20. Condition is the boolean, condition is the true. So let's run and see what is. What mistake over here we did, that's having error. Okay, so now let's find out. We have this integer if salt equal this. Okay, I can see what's going on. I have a 2 bracket over here, so which is not necessary. So now let's run the test again. We're having some problem. I'm not sure what problem we're having here. I say if salt less than 30. Okay, system out salt. This salt is this. Okay, else this. Close this. Yes. So I was missing for, I think, class. So this is for this. Guys, you guys will have same problem sometime. This is common. If you touch this one, you'll be see that this statement open and it's closed here. If you click here, you'll be see is open and close here. If you click here, you'll be see open and click here. If you click here, you'll see open. That means your structure is nice. Now run again. Sometime, you know, mistake is good, so you can learn something. So now you see the 20. So 20 is print out, which is the salt 1. So our condition is the boolean truth. So now let's see what we can do more about it. So now I say salt less than 30. Why not I put the salt greater than 30? So now guys, think about that. Which word will be print out? Which variable value will be print out? Salt 1 or salt 2? I give you a few seconds, guys. Think about that. I think you guys got the answer. So let's run which one is a, pinpointing which boolean statement is the truth. So run the message. It should be 15 because salt 1 greater than 30. No mistake. So salt 1 is the greater than 30. Is that true or false? It's false because salt 1 is less than 30. Statement is not matching. So this condition is the false. When is the condition the false, is falling to the else. Whatever else you put here is salt 2, which printing out the salt 2. So now you guys know the how condition work. So let's make a little bit more meaningful. So now I'm gonna say here string string can say product equal salt 1. Okay, and close. String salt 2 product. So over here I can say product 1, product 2. Okay, so now I just try to make some fancy stuff. So what you can do, I say system output lim salt 1. So before that I want to see what is the salt 1. When you print out salt 1, it will print out 20. We don't know what is this actually 24. So I can say like that, example, or we can hard code it. You can do it here. We will show both way. So now I say here product 1, okay, plus over here I can actually equal. Over here I can put the equal. So now if you do that, so run this, see what happens. 15 because this is the 15. We did not put away anything, so I can put here product 2 space this. If you run now, see salt 2 is 15. Now looks equal 15. And just play with word, play with the functionality, how looks more beautiful, looks visual, meaningful. I just say when 20 and 15 doesn't make sense, I say salt equal 15. Same way if I say over here less than 30, okay, if I run salt equal 20, salt 1 equal 20. So now you're gonna say, oh, this is only using some greater or less. Okay, so forget about the greater, let's learn something new. So in Java, if you say equal is not in the equal condition, it has to be double equal. In Java, if you say equal, it has to be double equal. So now I say salt equal 30, then print out this, else print out this. If this salt equal 30, think about that, and I'm running the test. Let's see, salt is not equal to 30, salt is 20. So that's why printing out the salt to 15 over here, salt to 15. So now if I said here salt equal 20, so and run the test, is that salt equal 20? Yes, is salt equal 20. So now salt equal 20, which is print out the salt equal this word, which is the product one. Product one is the here. Product one, which is the salt one equal, and salt one is 20. This is the 20. So now, why we just don't hard code it. Now I don't use the variable. Okay. So how you without variable you can say? You can say over here double quotation you can use for string salt equal done, and you can say salt one. Okay, for understanding purpose. So I'm just using directly hard coded here. Salt 2 equal. So now you will be see same way will be work. This is the basic Java related with the first part of the if else statement. I guess you guys understand the what is if else statement. The first condition, which is the if condition is matching, so it's not gonna go to the else. If the condition is false, it's gonna go always the else statement. Whatever you put the else statement, you're gonna return it. But if the condition is boolean true, first statement true, is not gonna go to the else. So thank you so much, guys. That's it for today. Keep tuning, and if you like my video, if you have any comment or any concern, please feel free to go to the YouTube, my subscribe my channel and comment it to the comment section. And if you have any question, you can ask anytime. Feel free to ask anytime. I will be answer it. Thanks for today, and see you soon for video 10.